Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Let's have a real talk about Google and Yahoo updates. You see thousands of YouTubers and other marketers focusing narrowly on technical setup. Yes, you need to have technical setup, and I will show you this as well. But technical setup is one-time thing. You set it up for domain name, and you are done. It's pretty easy to do. But there is a third update, almost nobody is talking about because this is very difficult to talk about. It's difficult to tell you that you will have to go out of your way to be compliant, and this is not a one-time thing. You have to go and stay on it month after month, week after week, maybe day after day, depending how often you send. And this is why they are not talking about it, because it's not a quick fix. You can just buy and have it done. This is not a quick video you can just watch and be done. This is continuous thing you need to do to win, to not have your domain blacklisted. Google on the blog post says officially that it only affects people sending more than 5,000 emails per day, but I tested and I registered a new domain name and I sent less than 100 emails and my email did land in spam. So I would say this third update, which is not technical, may affect also those people who are sending less. So what is this third update? This is what I will be covering on the course. So get the course right now, you find out. But it is an update which you will be focusing on continuously. I will show you 2 different ways to deal with it. I will show you how to deal with it with a new list. You are registering a new domain name and you are just starting out. So I will show you the first way to deal with that. Also, I will show you the second, bigger, most important way, which works with lists in every size. You're starting out, you have medium lists, or you have lists with 100,000 of people. The second method works for all of them. So guys, get the access to the workshop, and depending when you watch it, you can either be live with me on the workshop, or you will get recording for a workshop. But guys, even if this is like a month from now, really get it, because this third Google update is not going anywhere. It is not like you just set it up and you forget about it. You will be focusing on this update day after day, week after week, month after month. And I will also give you information about the 2 different softwares. One of the software is this one, which is helping you to grow from 0 to say 1,000, maybe 2,000. And then I will show you the software which helps you with lists of any size to keep out of this dreaded blacklisting of your sending domain. So guys, Get it right now, and I see you on the workshop, or I see you on the recording on the workshop. Take care, guys. Bye bye.